Alright, I couldn't wait. I'm going to take it apart and just to see if that housing is broken. This is the beauty band. It's actually nice and clean. Usually they're full of grease. Okay, so there's 2 screws here and 2 screws here, and then this will lift up. These are longer, and the beauty band is just a short screw. Want to make sure you push down on the screws before you start unscrewing them, because if not, you'll strip the screw out and you'll also smash into your paint here. So that's a no-no. Alright, this should just lift off. Let's see what we got. Okay. A little bit of oil squeeze out. Look at that. Metal housing. Woohoo! I'm going to check to see if anything else is broken. This is turning. That's working. Nothing looks loose or detached. Well, that was off a little tiny bit. The rest of the wires look fantastic. Okay, so basically the gears are in here. I don't have the gears, but if I don't take it off, I won't know what gear it is. Just debating whether I want to get into it or not. I suppose I can take a peek. Just double checking. These are all identical, so I'm safe putting them all together. And if you're concerned about dropping your screwdriver, you should have a cloth here, because once you ruin the enamel, there's no going back. And then this one here is a little tricky to get out. You have to be very careful because that's the board right there. Actually, I'm going to use a smaller screwdriver. Okay, so now let me show you down in here. When you take this off, this part, right down here, let me point at it, this part here sticks out into your board, your computer board. So when you lift it up, you have to lift it up at a little bit of an angle. That little piece right there, you can look straight down on it. See how it's behind the board here. Alright, here goes nothing. Okay, tilt it. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm going to point to it with my screwdriver. See that right there? Those are all filings. Metal filings. And right here, this is all metal filings. Look at that. Not the black grease, the filings. So let's look down in here and figure out. I see the filings here, right, in a little pile down here. So that means that they're possibly coming off this bottom gear and going onto your worm gear drive. Because if you look down here, see how there's no grease at all right here? Let me turn the fan in the back. Okay, you see that moving? All of this should be turning. See that? Let me see if I can get that to turn without getting myself all greasy. Oh yeah, look at that. Those teeth have to be ripped out of there. Look at the big. So let me see if I can turn this so we can see it. Oh yeah, it doesn't even want to turn. Will it go this way? Nope. I think you can look right here where the tip of my screwdriver is. I don't know if I can get that to come in clear or not. I think that gear down the bottom is stripped out because this one has grease on it and these teeth look like they're flat. But we won't know that until I get this cleaned off. And this is metal. This is normally not metal and causes a big problem. That is not normally metal. And let me look around the corner. Oh, look how they're scooped out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Oh yeah, this has been ripped apart. Can you see that right at the end of my thing? Not straight, not this, and let me see. Not the straight part that you see up and down, not those little ridges. Inside there, they're scooped out. I'm going to stop the video and see if I can get a picture of it. All right, that's part one apparently, and I'll have to order the gears. Well, I'll first have to take it apart and see what gears I need, and then we can get to part two and get it re-greased and put back together. Okay, I guess it looks like it's possibly the best case scenario, so that's a thumbs up. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video.